Hi everyone, my name is Abode Chris, and in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, common problem with Adobe Premiere Pro. You'll notice whenever you're exporting a file which has when you already did it and you're trying to export like I'm doing right now. So when I click on export, so I'm going to check again. This is, I don't want Twitter, I want YouTube. So just recheck the version you want to bring it in, since you will be uploading it to YouTube. Have a quick look again. If it's all good, that's good. I'll click export, and then it will tell you so how much time it will take for the video to be exported, like as an MP4 file. As you can see, we'll just have a wait, and you see here it's say it will bring it like around 3-4, and as you can see it starts slowing down a bit, which is a bit disturbing sometimes when it happened to me. And also it depends like how much so when I found out what's going on, why it's taking so much time, it's like it's sort of stuck. So what I did, it's like I went back and checked so what was the real issue. So I just close this one, and if you have a look, I have been adding lots of filters. So those filters and all these effects which I have been putting on the video output, it takes time, and Adobe Premiere Pro can't like sort of process all at the same time, especially when you have specified you want an MP4 version of it. So the easiest way to get the file faster, and there's a trick on this one as well, which I will tell you later on. So what you should do, you just go to import, export. Sorry, you go to media, and from here, like you choose QuickTime, which I did here, and then you choose Apple. Even though it's a window, you can choose Apple Press for HQ, and then you rename it. I want it since I've already did it, and then you click export. So what it'll do, it will bring the file much faster, and it won't be stuck like if you were bringing it as before I was doing the version of MP4. I'll cancel it since I've already did it. So let me show you what's the difference between these, between the file I've just exported it as a QuickTime file or as a full 22HQ file. I'll just cancel this one, minimize it, and from here you'll notice the trial one, that's one. So if I go in the properties, you'll see it's quite heavy. It does export it successfully, but it is quite heavy. It's like 10 GB. So to compress this video, I've got a video converter, which will, because if you can see this one, the extension is MOV, but I don't want MOV, I want MP4 to be uploaded on YouTube. So what I'll do, I'll just drag it, and I'll select my output format, which is MP4, and I click convert. So while doing this, it will compress your file and it will make it much more lighter, and then so that you will be able to upload on YouTube quite quickly. And if you see on my right hand side, there's a file which I already did. If I click on the properties and show you, it's the same file, and look at the difference. The difference is like far much lesser. One file which is 9.65 gigabytes, and one file which is 2.36 megabytes. There's no defects on the quality, everything's the same. It's just like sometimes when you have lots of filters, when you have lots of filters with Abode Premiere Pro, especially when you have a lot of things going on, you have added lots of stuff, and when you're trying to do the proper thing by exporting it as MP4, it takes time to convert those filters and bring it like as a proper MP4 file. So it's better to do like I showed you. It's better to bring the file as a QuickTime file, as a 422xq file, regardless what's the file type, and then you can easily convert it same like the way I showed you, which is much easier and much faster to upload on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.